just a quick video to show you what I finished on the trip today. I made 1 bee, 2 bees, a Highland cow with some messy hair. I played yarn chicken and I lost. See, I started out with 2 shades of brown and ended up with just the 1 shade of brown. So then for the bangs and the ears, I did brown and white. So it's 3 things. And Chubby Frank, free pattern on Instagram by Vanilla Gurumi. That's it. Table's all set up, but I forgot to get pictures. And I have to be there at 8:30 in the morning. So, bye-bye. Here, we'll put Frank there. 1, 2, 3, 4.